everyone, I want to take a moment just to welcome you to this live Facebook video here on my page. And what I want to do is I want to show you exactly why this is the best and most affordable Forex platform that is out there, okay? I've been involved with a couple Forex platforms over the last 3 years, and the whole goal for me was to find something that everyone could afford, okay? So oftentimes I feel like so many people overlook where we are in our society when it comes to economically speaking, okay? 6 out of 10 people don't have $400 in their savings account. 8 out of 10 people are living paycheck to paycheck. So the question is, how can we provide something that everybody needs to learn, the Forex market, which all of us who have a bank account, at that point, our money is already in this market. So what my goal was to do is not to only be able to bring what I have, this information, this education, what I've been able to create for our family and the success that we've created in the Forex markets. And what I desired to do was take it from just being something that could help a couple people to being able to help people all across the world, no matter where they are at financially, okay? And this is what I love about our platform. And I don't want to spend much time talking about it today, about just the reason why this is so important. I actually want to show you so you can see it for yourself, okay? The education platform, what you're going to get here, and this is actually the back office of one of our customers, okay? I'm not going to log into my back office and show everything because I don't want there to be any questions about enticement. What I am going to show you, though, is what you see from a customer view. Regardless if you never share this with one person, okay, I want to make clear what you are paying for at $99. Your money is so much less compared to the value of what you're actually going to get. Okay, you are spending so much less than the value that you're going to get just by making money in the markets, okay, and just learning what's going on, okay? So with the trade alerts, there's 2 different ways that they send out the trade alerts, okay? Number 1, with the trade alerts, you can see right here, both of these were wins. They just called out this Euro AUD sell, okay? Euro GBP, that was a win, okay? You can continue to go through here. One thing that I love about this company is every trade that's ever been sent out just from the trade signals, and this is where you just copy and paste the information. Every trade that has been sent out is 100% documented for and is accounted for. You can go in and see the record entirely, okay? One thing I love about this company is they're very, very transparent, okay? Nothing is hidden, and there is nothing more when it comes to trade advice that is given other than what you see right here, okay? What they do is they send you the alerts. We also have a Telegram channel for all of our members. They send you the alerts where you can copy these trades, okay? If you don't know what MetaTrader 4 is, that's where we take this information that they send out, the numbers, right? The entry point, okay? This is where you're getting into the market right here. Now, your take profits, this means if the market goes in this direction, which it did, at that point, it's going to close out your trade and it's going to secure that amount of money that you've made, okay? So for example, let's say that you made 20 pips and you were making $1 per pip. Once it moved 20 pips in the market, it would add an extra $20 to your balance due to you making that on the trade, okay? And then it would close out the trade. From there, we wait for the next trade setup, okay? Now, I really love this because this is very simple. It's as simple as copy, paste, and profit. But I want to make clear, the whole goal here is not just to get you to be a copy and paster, okay? That's the first step of what's going on. The real goal is to show you how to actually learn this skill set, okay? And I want to go through this. Listen, from the very basics of Forex to more advanced, what you get to do here is you get to learn it. And it's very, very simple. And I'm not going to show too much, but I do want you guys to see this is something that anybody can go through and begin to learn. Okay, just to give some context, I've had 1,000 people that have joined the last 45 days. Over 1,000 people have joined over the last 30 days, and 150 of those decided to share this with other people. And at that point, they have already been paid and making residual income much more than the $99 that they paid. And then I have about 800 plus who are satisfied with what they're making in the markets and what they're learning, okay? So it's very simple for you to learn this. All of the information is right here for Forex and cryptocurrency, okay? And this is really powerful. Most of these platforms that you see out here, it's not $99, it's a lot more. And the unfortunate part is most people just don't have a lot of money, okay? They don't have several $100s to spend to just begin to learn. And then at that point, they have to invest more money in order to trade. You've already eliminated 6 out of 10 people in our society, not including the fact that around the world, people are struggling even more than they are here in America. And to give you some perspective, half of my team is international right now. We have over 30 countries who have already joined our organization and who are running with us. Okay. So it's really, really beautiful, the information you get access to from the trade alerts, the education platform. Now, listen, we have live trading sessions every night, Sunday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern. If you happen to miss one of those, you can go back in and you can watch those at any time when you're available. Okay. What I like about this company is it's more focused. There's not 100 different opinions being shared on trading. It's people that have had massive, massive success, and they're teaching you what they know and how they do it. Okay. Oftentimes I see people trying to learn 1,000 different strategies, but the reality of it is you're going to get so confused if you go about trading that way. What you need to do is find something that works and works consistently. And then at that point, you begin to perfect that and continue to practice that. And you'll see that your income will begin to reflect what you practice with this. Forex is the largest financial market in the world if you are not aware. Okay. Another thing that I love is the fundamental analysis. A lot of people around the world do not understand that the market, this is currencies being traded. It depends on what's going on around the world, how it moves, whether it goes up in price, right? Or if it goes down in price. What's beautiful about Forex is unlike the stock market, you can only make money when the market moves up. Now, let me say this clear. I invest in the stock market, but I only do so at the right times where prices are extremely low and there's only really much upside potential. What I love about Forex is whether it goes up or down, we can make money in that market. Forex has been a very risky market because most people don't know what's going on. And I think you would agree with me, if you don't know what's going on, well, you're probably not going to have success. So how do things like the coronavirus outbreak impact the markets? How does things with the US and China trade deal, or just different things that are going on with our government, the impeachment trials, the Australia's raging bushfires, all of these things impact the markets. And one thing that we teach you is how to understand how these things impact the market. And here's the big thing: how you can profit in the market regardless if the markets are booming or if they are going down. I want to make one thing very clear. There will be another financial recession in the next couple years, if not sooner. Now, the question is, are you in a position where if something happens, you are protected, where no matter what goes on, whether the economy goes up or down, you are in a situation where you can win? This is why you need something like this. And for $99, it's a no-brainer. Okay. Another thing the company does, which I really, really like a lot, and it's almost insane how accurate it is. What they do is they go over, and you can see stocks as well, and different commodities, right? You have gold here, we got US 30, we got Bitcoin with cryptocurrencies. What they do is they give their overall outlook of what the market should do and the best times for you to get in. For instance, I'm going to give this one example with USD, CAD. This is the US dollar with the Canadian dollar, okay? And it's showing you that the overall push is bearish. And it says, though UCAD has had a ton of bullish momentum, we're not interested in taking it any higher due to the massive supply zone above our heads. What this is, the same way that you look at your ceiling, in order for you to get to the next floor or to break through this, you have to go through that support zone. Trading is the same exact way. So what we see here overall is a very, very strong resistance level that looks amazing to short. And quite frankly, we have been shorting this pair this week and it has been beautiful. Okay. But I want you guys to see, you are giving amazing information and amazing ideas about what you can do and the best points to join. Okay. And it's really key that you understand this. This is giving you potential setups for the entire week, if not the month. Every Sunday at 5 p.m., they update these with these pairs with what's going on. And you can see here, throughout a couple of these, I'll pull them up. You can see here different trades it's called. They're giving out the overall look of it. And it's really powerful what you see here because it's been extremely accurate. I'm talking about extremely accurate. Now, obviously, no one knows exactly what's going on in the markets, which is why we show whether it goes up or down. Here are the zones that you would want to enter in, and these are zones that you would want to watch out for. Okay, so it's really powerful, all of the information that's provided. People that have been trading in the markets, I genuinely believe that this is the easiest platform and the most affordable platform at this price. Okay, and another thing that's really powerful, and I'll show this really quickly, is if you decide that you ever want to create a residual income with this, you have that ability. Okay. Now listen, this is 100% optional. You do not have to do this if you do not desire. But one thing I've found is it has been absolutely beautiful. 150 people who have been paid more than they spent to learn this. And at that point, they've also created a residual income. Now, here's something powerful that I want to break down. If you don't want to pay $99 a month for it, at that point, if 3 customers are referred, they want to learn with you. At this point, your membership is free every single month. Okay. From here, 3 is all you need to take advantage of the comp plan and the free membership. It's really, really crazy. Okay. In a lot of companies, it's based off superstars. People are celebrated for how many personals they put in. Now, I'm not knocking that whatsoever. Let me make this clear. What I am saying is that for me personally, I'm not so much interested in superstars. I'm interested in super teams. My goal is to empower the masses, not just a couple people. Okay. This is not just the all-star group. I want to empower the entire group. Okay. And that's exactly what we're doing here. I want you to see this quickly, and then we'll wrap this thing up. This is an option for all of you to create a strong residual income. If you don't know what residual income is, that's passive income that you get paid every single week based off work that either you did or we as a team collectively did. Now, let me say this. We have a fully automated marketing system that you can even offer people 1 to 3 free signals per week if they don't know what's going on in Forex. And if you don't know what's going on and you just want to see it, I'm going to send you over something you can see. But just looking right here, you understand this is ridiculous. The value that you're getting at such a small price at $99. Okay, it's less than $100 to learn the largest financial market in the world. People spend $2,000 to $5,000 plus for 1 semester of college, which doesn't teach you how to be financially wealthy, okay, or teach you this skill set. It's ridiculous. Okay, check this out. The rank of night, that's 10 people total on your team. What did you need to do? Collectively, your goal was to get 3 personals. At that point, now the team grows to 10 people. You're making $500 a month, $125 a week. Noble, that's a rank of $1,000 a month. And I want you to consider this, guys. 25 people paying $99 a month. You are making $1,000 a month. Now, how many people did you have to get? All 25? No. Your goal was to simply get 3. And at that point, we help everybody else get 3. This is where this is powerful. We are giving signups away to the team because there's no reason to have 50 personals. There's no reason to have 100 personals, 200 personals. At this point, the whole goal is to help everybody else get paid, which I have been preaching this for so long. And finally, we have a compensation plan that allows us to truly manifest what it is that we desire when it comes to helping people. Someone like myself, I can easily get 200 to 500 people to be involved with what I'm doing personally due to my network. Now, why is that good news? Well, in a company like this, I only need 3 personals. So now what do we do with the rest of those people? I'm giving out other people's links. The leaders on the team, they're giving out other people's links. People who have never made money in the network marketing industry are really crushing it with this. And it overwhelms my heart and makes me happier than I've ever been, because finally I have something that's affordable for everyone and that I can scale towards the masses, that I can take people who are living in poverty, take people who are living off EBT. You have a ton of debt, and I can help you get out of that practically, not theoretically, but practically, from multiplying your money, just like the banks already are, to creating a residual income where you don't have the ability to do that at a normal job, right? At a 9 to 5, you're getting paid off your time that week. Once that week is expired, you never get paid off that week again. This is why I like residual income. I've been in the banking industry for 8 years. I'm living off residual income of deals that I did 8 years ago. You know, so the question is, most people, or not the question, but the statement is, most people will never be successful in credit card processing because that's specifically working with business owners, right? This is the corporate banking industry. With this, everybody can be successful with this. You know, and at this point, 25 people, that's $1,000 a month, $250 every single week. Now, let me say this. I want you to comment in the comment section, no delay in pay. Okay, comment this in the comment section, no delay in pay. This is what's powerful. Whatever rank you are as of Sunday night at 12 p.m. Central Time, Monday morning, that amount will hit your account. Most companies, you have to wait 2 weeks to get paid off of what you should have earned this week, just like at your job. Most jobs pay bi-weekly. With this, You come in, you get your 3 people until the end of February, you're going to get a $150 fast start bonus, which is more than you paid. Okay, this is really big that you understand this. It's more than you paid. You're getting your money back in a couple of days because we have this system that you can take advantage of. At this point, now you're in a position where you're already profitable. And that's big. You're profitable your first week. Now, let's say that you happen to hit the rank of night your first week as well. So then you have that $150 coming plus another $125 coming on Monday. You've made $275 your first week. And here's a big tip. And this is why I'm doing this video. We are in massive, massive, massive momentum. I want to make something very clear. We just completed our automated system this week, and it is exploding the team. We had 50 people join in the last 24 hours. And at this point, I mean, it's just going like this. So the reality of it is some of you've reached out and you've been looking at this for a while. Those who procrastinate or those who delay, you're literally putting yourself in a position where thousands of people are joining ahead of you that you could have been benefiting off of. And beyond that, let me make this clear. The biggest issue with waiting is you're keeping the information that you need to transform your life. And how long are you going to wait before you say, okay, I need to learn this. I need to make more money. And for me, I don't think that's something to think about. At 99 bucks, it's not even a question anymore. It's something that I would call the biggest no-brainer of 2020. Now, listen, the rank of bishop, that's $2,000 a month, $500 a week. The rank of duke or duchess, that's $5,000 a month, $1,250 a week. And it goes all the way up to $100,000 a month, $25,000 a week at the rank of legend. Now, I want to give a big shout out real quick to David Lisiaga. David Lisiaga is the one who got my wife involved with this company. He reached out to us and I said, babe, if you want to do it, I'm supporting you all in, okay? She wanted to do something on her own. She's already hit the rank of duchess. She's about to hit princess. And what I'm doing is I'm just helping her build. She's so excited right now because she's creating massive success and being able to impact now over 1,000 people in a matter of 40-something days, okay? She's making $5,000 a month at the rank of duchess, and she's about to hit princess, which is $10,000 a month. And I want to give you guys a little perspective, okay? Number one, I want to make this clear. I'm not giving any income disclaimers in this video. If you do not come in and get at least 3 people, or collectively we get 3 people together, you will not get paid on the residual income side, okay? There's no guarantees. If you want to get paid, you got to put in the work. The only guarantee is if you don't do anything, you're not going to get paid more, okay? And what my goal is to help you get paid with this compensation plan as well as learning how to trade in the Forex markets. The focus here is not just on you coming in and building something, but the reality of it is a lot of people don't have a lot of money to trade with, and this is my advice. If you don't have a lot of money to trade with, come in and learn. Let's help you create a residual income, get that 150, and at that point, use that money to trade with, okay? If you don't have money to trade, how much longer do you think it's going to be before you actually get money? I talked to people 3 years ago about Forex, and they're like, man, I'm still trying to get my money together. Like, you know how long it's been that I've made so much money in this market and helped thousands of people, and you still don't have money to get started? If you do not take the initiative, you're going to put yourself in a situation where it's just never going to happen, okay? I'm fully convinced if you don't take action sooner than later, you just put yourself so much farther behind. It's not funny, okay? So for all of you who are watching this on Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day to you. Don't just be someone that spends money and make corporations more rich. Put yourself in a position where you actually can take care of your loved ones more than just periodically. And you can, at that point, you can spoil each other anytime. You can enjoy life anytime. And I'm just excited about 2020. There's never been a better time in history for information and technology to be partnered together. And that's what we've created here. From the live sessions, from the trade alerts, which are copy and paste, from the education, which are in PDF forms, as well as there's different videos that you can go through and watch. Forget making corporations rich the rest of your life. Forget making your boss rich the rest of your life, okay? I'm not saying a job is bad. It's a part of your process. It's time to change the cycle. It's time to do something differently. Multiply your money, create passive income. Multiply your money, create passive income. Change the cycle, do something different. And I look forward to helping you do it, okay? Much love to all you guys. Thank you so much for taking time to hop on this live. And I look forward to working with you and just having an incredible 2020 and seeing what we do together over the next 10 plus years, okay? Much love to you guys. I will talk to you soon. Cheers.